Andrew, is it red?
Yeah.
No, Ty. No.
Woo! Yo. Yo.
Get there.
Yo.
Hey, somebody needs to watch.
Somebody get on this side with me. I only have a spring gun. Hey, somebody get over here. I got a spring gun.
I caught it.
Oh shit, there's a guy. Hey, come here. You gotta lay down. Oh, hit. Fucking shit.
Dad, this side's clear. I get to stay there. I'll get you under one.
Oh yeah, I'm dead.
Wait, we're
Hang on, I gotta lay. Oh, they already beat us. I'm already hit. I gotta lay down. I'm just laying down because I'm hit. You gotta lay down if you're dead, Bobby. We need a medic. No, you have to wait for the medic. I'm already hit.
Move, Bobby.
Bobby, get down. You're supposed to wait on the medic.
I know, dude.
You know, hey. This sucked, Andrew. And as soon as we spawn, we gotta take them out. Andrew. That's ties. That's ties. Oh wow, nobody can respond to medics. That's game.
He's with you.
That's a game. Because nobody can respond to medic.
Who shot me? Who shot me?
We're dead, that's game. All our guys are down. Wait, was that game? I'm confused. What the fuck's... We're all dead. Okay, this is gonna be a blooper. This is gonna be a blooper one.
Everybody,
Hey!
gun.
My name is Otto Schwarzenegger.
I never let the gun down.
It's already over. This is gonna be a Bobby. This is gonna be a blooper video.
There's no hit caller.
This is gonna be a blooper video.